Namaskar to all of you. I am Dr. Pallavi Jain of School of Computer Science and Engineering of Galgodia's University. Here I am to deliver the lecture of Multimedia System of our course BCA. Now, in the series of this multimedia system, in the series of the lectures, our last lecture was based on the building blocks, creating and editing media elements, that is text and sound. Okay, we have studied about the two building blocks elements. These were text and sound, and in that series today we are studying the building block creating and editing media elements like image. So the prerequisite of this multimedia system is to development of computer-based interactive multimedia based upon study in learning in elementary education. We all know about that the multimedia system is a combination of text, audio, video, graphics, animation, and interactive multimedia components. Now, our the objectives of the today's lecture is to understand how computers process images and graphics. This lecture is totally based upon the images and graphics we include in our multimedia. So today we will understand how computers process images and graphics, how computer works with colors in that images and graphics, and to understand the differences between images and graphics. कहाँ हम image use करते हैं, कहाँ हम graphics use करते हैं. That was all about. Now the contents of today's lecture are the nature of digital images. First of all, we will understand what type of images are the digital images. After that, we will study vector graphics, color systems, some image techniques, image and graphics file formats, digital image processing, image and graphics software, and the questions based on these topics. So our first topic is the nature of digital images. Now, what is an image? First of all, an image is a special representation of an object. किसी भी object का representation. It can be of 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional or so on. Okay. A 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional scene or another image. Often the images reflect the intensity of lights or intensity of pixels or resolution of pixels screen. Okay, so most photographs are called continuous tone images because the method used to develop the photographs creates the illusion of perfect continuous tone throughout the image. भाई किसी भी जो हमारे पास photographs होती हैं that are the combination of the image, so it can be called as continuous tone images. Images stored and processed by computers displayed on computer screens are called digital images. What are called digital images? The images which are processed by the computers and displayed on computers screen, although they often look like continuous tone. This is because they are represented by a matrix of numeric values. Each represents a quantized intensity values. And what about that? What type of intensity values? The pixel intensity values through which we can display our digital image on the screen. So basic concept is this कि the smallest element on a digital image is known as pixel. As we have studied earlier, कि the images are combination of the pixel. A digital image consists of a matrix of pixels. Matrix, that is the grid of pixels, which we have studied earlier. Now, in this series of lecture, we will study about the depth of the image. The depth of an image Everybody please mute your mic. Everybody please mute your mic.
Ranjan तेरा माइक खुला हुआ है.
Now the जिसका भी माइक अनम्यूट है वो प्लीज म्यूट करे अपना माइक. Thank you. Now the depth. The depth of an image is the number of bits used to represent each pixel. Depth, intensity, value, ये हमने अपने लास्ट लेक्चर्स में पढ़ी है सब. इंटेंसिटी वैल्यू, डेप्थ, पिक्चर क्वालिटी, okay, intensity. So the depth of an image is the number of bits used to represent each pixel. Suppose 1 bit depth is there, so one bit is for black and white image, also called bitmap image. Bitmap image yani bits 0 or 1. So if the depth of an image is one bit, that it will called as black and white image or bitmap image. Just like it, 4-bit depth can represent 16 colors. We generally square the value. Suppose 4-bit is the depth, then 4 into 4, 16. So we can represent 16 colors used in low resolution screens. Now 8-bit, 8 into 8, that is 256. So 8-bit depth can have 256 colors. 256 different color images are often known as indexed color images. Just like it, 8-bit gray. So जो ऊपर वाला था हमारा, अभी जो हमने पढ़ा वो 256 डिफरेंट कलर्स थे. अब 8-bit ग्रे में ग्रे लेवल्स आएंगे आपके, नॉट ब्लैक एंड वाइट, नॉट कलर, मिक्सचर ग्रे. So the image contains only brightness or intensity data without color information, only grayish value. Just like it's 16-bit, 65536 colors, also known as high color in Windows system. The 16 bits are divided into 5 bits for red, 6 bits for green, and 5 bits for blue. Just like it. So just like it, 24 bits and 32 bits and so on. So that is known as the depth of our image. Now the resolution. Resolution means how much detail an image can have, or how much brightness, or how much the combination of vertical and horizontal components on the screen we have. There are several resolutions relating to images. Image resolution is the number of pixels in an image. So just like if number of pixels in an image, if we have 320 into 240, suppose the 320 pixels but horizontal and 240 pixels vertical. So the resolution we will calculate by multiplying each. Okay, 320 into 240 is equals to 76800 pixels. Now display resolution. It refers to number of dots per inch on a monitor. Windows system usually have 96 dpi resolution. Dpi means dots per inch. Some high resolution video monitors support 120 dpi also. For example, if 288 into 216 image displayed on a monitor with 96 dpi will be 3 into 2 by 1, 1 by 4. So this will aspect ratio will be there. Aspect ratio is what about the vertical components upon horizontal components. Now the output resolution refers to the number of dots per inch on a hard copy output device. A hard copy output resolution means on output device, and from the output device we receive a hard copy. Now acquiring digital images. How can we acquire our digital image? So there are many ways to create or get digital images. We list some of the most common ways. भाई digital image हम paint program के through ले सकते हैं. Make an image from scratch with a paint program. A good program will allow you to choose the depth, resolution and size. Grab an image of the screen. capture an image from a digital camera, or a camcorder, or from your mobile phone. Okay, so scan a photograph or print using a scanner, image scanner, which we have studied earlier in the output devices. Convert from existing digital media, suppose photo CD or pen drive, etc. Or synthesize an image from numerical data, like from the algorithms. Now, vector graphics. What is about the vector graphics? Vector means line a small line or a small stroke. Okay, vector drawing. So instead of using pixels, object can be represented by their attributes, such as their size, their color, their location of storing, and so on. So this type of graphics is known as vector graphics or vector drawing. This is an abstract representation of our 2D or three-dimensional scene or an image. Okay, so instead of using pixels here, objects can be represented by their size, color, location, or any other information. So this type of graphics we will consider as a vector graphics. A vector graphics file contains graphics primitives, for example, rectangles, circles, or lines. There are many languages for describing vector graphics. Three of them are very popular. They are PostScript, VRML और SVG. So PostScript में हम क्या यूज करेंगे? पेज एडोब एज अ सॉफ्टवेयर हम यूज करेंगे. VRML stands for Virtual Reality Markup Language, and SVG is for Scalable Vector Graphic, which we use through the XML, that is Extended Markup Language. The basic level markup language is HTML, hypertext markup language, which we have studied in our last lecture. That was about the text, hypermedia, or hypertext, in which we have just have the knowledge of hypertext markup language. HTML, the extended form of HTML is XML, extended markup language. Now, vector versus bitmap. Earlier we have studied in this lecture bitmap, and after that we have studied vector graphics. So now we are studying the difference between bitmap and vector graphics. So a bitmap contains an exact pixel by pixel value of an image. A bitmap contains an exact pixel by pixel value. और इसमें क्या होगा आपका? A vector graphic contains mathematical description of the image by the size, by the location, and all. A bitmap file is fixed in resolution, and vector graphic is resolution independent. There is no dependency on the resolution. In bitmap, the file size of a bitmap is completely determined by the image resolution and its depth. How many the resolution of the image or its depth. And in the vector graphic, the file size depends upon the number of graphic elements it contains. A bitmap image is easier to render. Rendering means the conversion from a 3D image to the 2D image. And displaying a vector graphic usually involves a large amount of processing. Now, color systems. Color plays a very important role in multimedia objects. Color management is both a subjective and a technical exercise because color is a physical property of light. अभी जब हमने डिस्प्ले डिवाइसेस पढ़े थे हमने अपने लेक्चर में, तो उसमें क्या था? CRT मॉनिटर्स थे और कलर CRT मॉनिटर्स थे. तो कलर इज अ फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लाइट, बट कलर परसेप्शन इज अ ह्यूमन फिजियोलॉजिकल एक्टिविटी कि भाई कौन सा कलर हमारा डिस्प्ले होकर कब आ रहा है. इस तरह से चूजिंग ए राइट कलर और कलर कॉम्बिनेशन इन्वॉल्व्स मैनी ट्रायल्स एंड एस्थेटिक जजमेंट. Color is the frequency or wavelength of a light wave within the narrow band of the electromagnetic spectrum to which the human eye responds. That will be depend upon wavelength, intensity, spectral purity, saturation, hue, and brightness. Now, some image techniques. Dithering is a very important technique of image. Dithering is a technique to increase the number of colors टू बी परसीव्ड इन एन इमेज, कि भाई हमारे इमेज में मैक्सिमम कलर्स किस तरह से मैक्सिमम कलर्स का परसेप्शन हो सकता है. इट इज़ अ टेक्निक टू इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ कलर्स टू बी परसीव्ड इन एन इमेज. It is based on human eyes capability for special integration. That is, if you look at a number of closely placed small objects from a distance, if we if we are watching some tiny objects from a very far distance, then they will look like they merge together, isn't it? So dithering techniques groups a number of pixels together, say 4 to form a cluster. When viewed from sufficient distance, the individual pixel will not be distinguishable. The cluster will look like a single block of color different from the individual pixel. In the figure, if we can notice in last figure, there are 4 pixels or 4 colors are very much together. So if we see it from very far, then we will notice that this is a single object, right? Now image and graphics file format. Digital image is stored in a file conforming to certain formats. हमारा digital image का एक certain format होता है. In addition to the pixel data, the file contains information to identify and decode the data like the format of the image size, depth, color and palette, and compression. How much compression are there in the image? Some formats are defined to work only in certain platform, while other can be used for all platforms. Some formats are for images, others are for vector graphics. Some formats allow compression, others only use raw data, like that. Now, digital image processing, which we have studied earlier. What is about digital image? Now we will study processing on digital image. It will contain some sub areas, that is image and analysis, in which we extract descriptions from the image by using techniques that are necessary for high level scene analysis methods. Next is image recognition, is concerned with the techniques for recovering information about objects in the image. And the most important category is image enhancement. It includes the technology behind it to improve the image and to correct some defects such as the color and tonal adjustment, brightness, contrast, transformation, special effects, texture, styles, blur, sharpen, like that, to enhance our image. Now, image and graphics software. सो इमेज एडिटिंग एंड प्रोसेसिंग टूल्स. इमेज को हम कहाँ पर किन किन टूल्स के द्वारा हम एडिट और प्रोसेस कर सकते हैं? दे आर विंडोज पेंट ब्रश, एडोब फोटोशॉप, मैक्रोमीडिया फायरवर्क, मेटा क्रिएशन पेंटर, कोरल ड्रॉ, कोरल फोटो पेंट, पेंट शॉप प्रो, the GIMP, an open source program with excellent functions which we can use openly from the online downloading this software. Now these were all image editing and processing tools. Now vector graphics tools, Adobe Illustrator, Macromedia Freehand, and Corel. Now format conversion tools, कि भाई हम we can change the format, we can convert the format from TIF to JPEG, from PDF to JPEG. Suppose many applications can import or open files in various formats. Okay, we can change the format also. Now in this lecture we have studied about, we summarize my lecture. I am summarizing my lecture by giving a brief of about all the topics that we have studied in this lecture. We have studied about the nature of digital images, information about vector graphics, what about color systems of images, some image techniques, that was dithering technique, image and graphics file formats, digital image processing, the software which we are using for image and graphics, and all. Okay guys, thanks a lot. That was all about my lecture. Have a nice day.